Are you ready to manifest money in under 24 hours? It may sound impossible, but it's not. With the power of the law of attraction and Neville Goddard's teachings, you can tap into the power of your own mindset and use it to attract more abundance and wealth into your life. In this video, we'll discuss the top tips for manifesting money in less than 24 hours, including using subliminal tracks for success, manifesting money with subconscious messages, tips for attracting abundance, and how to manifest money with affirmations. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how to manifest money and how to use the law of attraction to attract more wealth and abundance into your life. The law of attraction states that what we think becomes reality. So if you focus on expecting abundance to come your way quickly, then it will. Here are some tips for attracting abundance within 24 hours. Before actually dive into the video, one small request to all newcomers on our channel. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel to ensure continuous flow of informative videos on manifestation. Let's get started. First, believe that it is possible to manifest money in less than 24 hours. Matching your personal vibration with that of the universe is key here. If you don't believe it's possible for money to come within a day or two, then it won't happen at all. Select an amount of money that seems achievable and focus on believing you will have it soon. The power of belief is essential here. Next, keep a positive mindset and unconditional faith that no matter what happens, you will win in this game. Positive thinking is key. To help ensure success, follow these steps closely when manifesting wealth. Practice visualizations by imagining yourself having already achieved success. Use affirmations like "I'm abundant" or "money comes easily to me." Create an abundance mindset by believing good things are coming. Be open-minded when pursuing wealth and understand obstacles may arise, but have faith in yourself throughout the journey. Focus on your goals, yet also practice presence by living joyfully for maximum effectiveness in manifesting desired riches quickly. With patience and mindfulness, anyone can begin manifesting their dreams today using the law of attraction, especially those looking to attract money in under 24 hours. My friends, manifesting money is not an easy task and requires a lot of dedication and hard work. However, with the right mindset and tools, you can manifest money into your life in under 24 hours. Once you have chosen the exact sum of money you desire, use visualization techniques such as creating a screensaver for your smartphone background with the precise amount written down. In addition to visualization techniques, proven effective methods for manifesting money include subliminal tracks. These tracks are specifically designed to reach one's subconscious mind, which controls many aspects of our lives, including our thoughts and behaviors. This makes them crucial components in manifesting money. Neville Goddard was one of the pioneers in using subliminal messaging in his teachings on manifestation. He believed that by focusing on our desires, they can eventually become a reality through the law of attraction and the law of assumption working together. When using subliminal tracks for manifesting money, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, ensure that your mental state is open and prepared to receive abundance from the universe. Secondly, believe with all your heart and soul that everything will come together perfectly. Lastly, listen attentively every night before falling asleep, so that these positive affirmations can reach deep into your subconscious mind. By following these steps accurately, anyone can experience positive results within a matter of days or even hours. You can use subconscious messages to manifest abundance in less than 24 hours. With the right mindset and tools, you can quickly and easily create abundant wealth in your life. It's all about reprogramming your mind to think positively about money and taking massive action towards achieving financial success. Visualization is one of the most powerful ways to attract wealth into your life. Visualize having the desired amount of money, no matter how much or little it may be. Your subconscious mind will believe these thoughts are real, regardless of physical circumstances. The more vivid and detailed you make these visualizations, the easier it will be for your brain to process them as reality. To attract money, you need to become both a giver and a spender, like attracts like, after all. But even more importantly, having an abundant mindset rooted in prosperity and success helps open up new paths for financial growth opportunities and provides motivation during challenging times. Expressing gratitude for imagined wealth is essential. Get used to feeling what it would be like to already own it before actually acquiring it, as such feelings can become reality if focused upon enough times. Lastly, understand what owning money truly means so that you can manifest it very quickly. This involves knowing the exact reasons why you need or want money in the first place. Once you properly take these steps and focus on them, manifesting money should take no longer than a few hours at most. May people claim to follow these steps but fail every time. For them, I would like to discuss few tips. The first tip is that money should be seen in a positive light. Loving and appreciating it can bring it into your life. When you speak positively about money, you create a space for its abundant flow into your life. Writing down what you will do with the money when it comes is also key. This helps keep the focus on what has yet to come and keeps energy directed towards its manifestation. It's important to avoid speaking negatively about things or situations that require financial resources, since this blocks its flow into life. Negative thoughts should not take root in the mind since they act as barriers for abundance to come into one's life. Instead, focus on positive thoughts that will attract wealth rather than repelling it away from yourself. Affirmations are useful tools for creating positive self-talk that can help manifest desired outcomes quickly, such as attracting more wealth or success towards oneself, so keep them close at hand. Keeping affirmations on a vision board or writing them out regularly helps create power behind them and attract money more easily. Use words expressing gratitude when writing these affirmations too, for even better results. By following these tips from Neville Goddard, anyone looking for ways to attract abundance can do so quickly with ease. With an open heart and a little patience, anyone can learn how to manifest what they desire. When using affirmations to manifest money, one of the most important rules is that you must mention a specific amount of money that you want to receive in order for the message sent to the universe to be understood correctly. An example of this could be, I am now receiving $1 million in my bank account. You should also make sure that these statements feel real while saying them, so that your subconscious mind believes it even more strongly. The 369 method of saying affirmations may help speed up the manifestation process by writing your affirmations 3 times in the morning, 6 times in the afternoon, and 9 times in the evening, respectively. This technique helps strengthen your affirmation practice by repeating it multiple times throughout a day, which helps solidify it into reality faster due to its increased frequency. I will now quickly tell you the 7 steps or tips which can be followed to effectively utilize the power of manifestation. First, write down what you want specifically on paper. Second, create a positive statement as an affirmation about having or receiving what you want. Third, repeat your affirmations out loud at least 3 times a day. Fourth, visualize yourself already having what you want, such as being surrounded by abundance. Fifth, trust that whatever happens is for your highest good. Sixth, take inspired action towards achieving whatever goal or vision you have set for yourself. Seventh, relax and let go, knowing everything will turn out exactly as it should. By following these tips for attracting abundance with affirmative statements relating specifically to manifesting wealth and success, you will help bring forth desired results quicker than expected. I hope you liked this video. If so, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching the video till the end. May God bless you in your manifestation journey ahead.